Okay, so recently I shared with you some Samsung Galaxy S23 benchmarks and more stuffs, but in this video I'm gonna share with you something really cool about the S23 Ultra, the biggest one. Now we know that design wise it will not be a massive upgrade. You can check out my other videos for that. The flat sides and the bigger camera cutouts are probably gonna be the new thing, and maybe a slight bit of change in the bezels department. But other than that, there is not going to be a massive change in the design at the very least. Maybe new color options. And yes, the screen will be much more brighter. But the biggest change will actually come in the inside. And that too, more specifically, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, if you don't know, next year, Samsung is actually going to use only Snapdragon chips in all markets. So there is no Exynos variant of the S23 Ultra is coming. Now that might just surprise you in a good or a bad way depending on who you are and what you think of Exynos. But here's the thing, Samsung is actually focusing on a Galaxy exclusive Exynos chip for 2024. So it's kind of like Samsung is trying to replicate the Apple's formula, and that's not a bad thing though, because Google is already doing it. Now, if you don't know about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, well, it will be a beast of a thing because it will be first and foremost thing manufactured by TSMC. So that's another best part of it. And the second best part is that it will have tons of CPU cores. One really fast Cortex X3 core that provides about 25% performance boost over the X1 in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 models, running at 3.36 GHz. As well as two Cortex A715 cores and two Cortex A710 cores, yes, you heard it right, running at 2.8 GHz, and three efficiency cores, Cortex A510 cores, clocked at 2.02 GHz. Now, if you're thinking, what is this kind of thing? Well, this is the first time Android gonna see a chip like this. And believe it or not, it can really perform well. So all in all, the performance is gonna be crazy insane, aside from few other upgrades like ISP and NPU upgrades. Now my smart price saw a US bound Galaxy S23 Ultra model number SM918U on Geekbench. Now it got like 1521 points in single core test and a score of 4689 in the multi-core test. But then again, even if you're thinking, then yeah, it is on par with Apple's A16 Bionic. I'm saying on par, not better. Now do keep this in mind, the synthetic benchmarks are not exactly showing what the chip is capable of, because the ISP upgrades and the NPU upgrades are something really important, and companies can take advantage of those things in a variety of tasks, and that can't be actually be measured or compared with another chip using the same benchmarking score. So that's not possible. What we are looking here is just only the CPU performance. But what if I say you this Ice Universe actually revealed what could be the biggest differentiating factors between the main camera of the S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra? Well, in this photo, you can actually see the S23 Ultra's photos are sharper. Not that significant way, but it is still a better one because of higher megapixels and newer ISP and more advanced technologies in the NPU department. But the telephoto camera will still be the same. One 10 megapixel 10x camera and another 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. That's it. We still don't know whether we're gonna get an upgrade in the ultra wide angle camera or not, but we will have to wait and see. You can subscribe this channel for that. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the S23 Ultra? Or do you own an S22 Ultra? Okay, you probably want this, or you probably want that, or you probably want this one, or you probably want all of them. Definitely you have a good choice. All of them are in 8K and you can find them in my website, jointheavid.com, link down below. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.